शायद हम जो डिलुलू के बारे में बोले ना, आप भी उस डिलुलू में ना रहना कि वो आपके साथ है। आपकी जनरेशन किसके साथ है ये 29 में पता चलेगा, तब देखा जाएगा। बट लेट्स नोबडी बी इन दिस Gen Z and we are not fighting. Why are we getting into the lingo of the Gen Z? That's not what we are. ये कोई ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी का सवाल के लिए चर्चा नहीं कि आप कितने शब्द जानते हो और मैं कितने शब्द जानती हूँ। We are here for a very serious issue. People on Jantar Mandar, sir, I was sitting in the Lok Sabha canteen, house was not functional. You also missed it. We've all heard the loud sounds outside. किसकी आवाज थी वो? टेयर गैस की आवाज थी, पता नहीं पिलेट्स चल रहे थे सर। हम डरे नहीं क्योंकि हम इस सिक्योर वातावरण में बैठे। बस उस माँ के बारे में आप सोचिए जिसका बच्चा उस जंतर मंतर थे, उस माँ पे क्या गुजर रही होती। We are sitting in this very VIP area with so many police. कोई दरवाजा पार्लियामेंट का बंद कर रहा है, कोई इतने सारे पुलिस है। हम तो क्या रहे, ना आपके बच्चे चिंता में ना मेरे बच्चे चिंता है। बस उस माँ बाप का सोचिए जिनके बच्चों का करियर है। सर मैं भी एक माँ हूँ, जब रिजल्ट आता है ना एक दिन पहले नींद नहीं आती। अभी मेरे तो बच्चे बड़े हो गए, तो अभी CBSE चल रहा है, सोचते पढ़ते हैं। आप सोचिए जिसके बच्चे का एडमिशन जो KG के लिए प्रॉब्लम आता है, उसकी माँ पे फैमिली पे क्या गुजरती है। उनके पास कुछ होता नहीं है सर, एक रोटी खाते हैं, शायद आधी खाती होती है, इसलिए वो पैसा भर भर के पेट की भूख काट काट के बच्चों को पढ़ाते कि जो मेरा हुआ मेरे बच्चों का ना हो। What is a degree? It is your recognition. No caste, nothing can stop you. Once you have a good degree on your forehead, your life is made. What was Bhimrao, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar? How did he get recognition? It's purely on merit and his education. This is what I was expecting from this government, and I'm hugely disappointed as a parliamentarian, as a parent, because I expected more from them. I really did, and I'm saying this with pain. Think of all. I'll tell you the measures this government has taken. I'll tell you 3 points which I'd really like the Honorable Minister, who was, I don't know what had happened to him today. He's actually quite a serious man. 3 things that he has done. In 2016, 2016 में इसी सरकार की एक report है sir. In that, what is the government said when the first bill was introduced? That we have the report of the standing committee. We are working on it. बिल आ गया, उसके बाद स्टैंडिंग रिपोर्ट ही भी वर्किंग करेंगे, एंड वी विल टेक ऑल ऑफ यू इनटू कॉन्फिडेंस एंड मूव इन दिस डायरेक्शन फॉरवर्ड. व्हाट हैपेंड? दिस इज 2016. देन कम्स 2024. ऑनरेबल नड्डा जी इज रिप्लाई. ऑनरेबल नड्डा जी ने कहा एक रिप्लाई में कि द सुप्रीम कोर्ट एट दैट पॉइंट हैड इंटरवीन्ड, बट द इंटेंशन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट टू ब्रिंग नीट. इट्स नॉट द सुप्रीम कोर्ट that has brought NEET, it is the government it has brought NEET. I'm not saying that. This is Nadda ji replying. It's the papers right here. But what is in the bill? That is very interesting, sir. The bill point number 6 says in the statement and the objectives of the bill, it says in the view of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, NEET became mandatory for all undergraduate and postgraduate admissions with immediate effect. However, some state governments So is it Supreme Court done it or has this government done it? Yeah. Can they kindly clarify? And both these documents are parliament documents, not my creations. One is a reply and one is a bill. So can this government get out of this jingoism and get serious and tell us why really this bill has come up? Third, what part in 2024? Excellent drafting of the bill. Excellent. Even if I'm in opposition, I'll say that. Because this is not about tutu mein. ये बच्चों के बारे में क्या तुतु मैं करेंगे यहाँ? वो पॉलिटिकल होगा, वह लड़ रहेंगे रास्ते पे। यहाँ इसलिए नहीं आते हम सिर्फ लड़ने के लिए. What is this bill done? 2024 unfair means an objective. Every objective has been achieved. बस ये इम्प्लीमेंट होता 24 में, तो 26 में जंतर मंतर का दिन नहीं देखने पड़ते हम सबको. Why is the government not followed this? What are they talking about? And what is in this written? This is also interesting, sir. This is again 2025 reply in the government. 21st June 2024, the bill has become an act. 22nd June, a committee is formed which is doing recommendations. Have you heard of such a thing, sir? On 21st, I reiterate what I say. 21st June 2024, a bill has come, the act is made. And 22nd, they have started a committee of recommendations. Iska mazak udaya ja raha hai. Then didn't you take the committee recommendations before, or why didn't you have a committee? Then what was the rush of the bill? What is the logic? Can somebody tell me? Now this is the approach of this government, even today. I mean, I have a lot of regard for Honorable Jitendra Singh ji. He's a learned man. But I wish all the BJP people spoke with some empathy, some compassion, some humility, and some sensitivity when it's about children. We have lost how many children, sir? There's this girl, my friend Dayanidhi Maran spoke about Anita. There's a girl from Maharashtra, Priyanka ji spoke about just yesterday, Anita Sangle. She killed herself, unfortunately. Now, can you tell me, why has this happened? Why is this divide? Why is DMK against the NEET? I asked them, why? What is the problem? Has government ever consulted them? Because it's the difference between the haves and the have-nots. The coaching classes in this country. Who is regulating the coaching classes in this country? Can, sir, the Honorable Minister reply to this question? It's a huge business. I think that Shrikant Shinde said it. That Shrikant Shinde said, or Krishna said, that they are going for IPOs and all that. Coaching class is going for IPOs. How many lakhs and lakhs of rupees do people give? And what will this girl, this Anita, and this girl from Maharashtra yesterday, this Sagre girl, Ankita, they can't afford coaching classes, sir. What is this government talking about? And this is a collapse of trust. This is what they are not understanding. NEET is not there. And you know, I come from the state of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule and Savitribai Phule. We have great pride in gender equality and education. Now, I would like to quote one of their allies. They have seemed to have forgotten what people have said. Sir, with your permission, I'd like to read it in Marathi. What he has said, which nobody from that side has said. I wish somebody had said it from that side. Just on human angles. I think that Tejasvi Surya finally said something nice, which I welcome from him. But I wish that came from the minister. What is this gentleman saying? Well, my ex-colleague, Mr. Chhagan Bhujbal. What is he saying? Dharmendra, I'll say it in Marathi, sir, read it verbatim. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान यांनी 15 दिवसापूर्वी राजीनामा दिला असता तर आंदोलनाचा उद्रेक झाला नसता. मीन्स 15 दिन पहले अगर इन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया होता तो ये उद्रेक नहीं होता. ये मैं नहीं सिर्फ कह रही हूँ, हम तो कह ही रहे, लेकिन आपके एलाय भी कह रहे, आप सुन नहीं रहे. पोलिसांचा लाठीचार्ज, त्यानंतर देशात परिसलेली संतापाची लाट, या सर्व गोष्टी संपूर्ण जगाने पाहिलेल्या आहेत. हे आंदोलनात दिल्लीत जंतर मंतर पुरत नाही तर नाशिक, महाराष्ट्र आणि पूर्ण देशात इशारा आहे. ही इज योर allies telling you कि ये इशारा है. दिस इज मिस्टर छगन भुजबल स्टेटमेंट. आई होप गवर्नमेंट इज लिसनिंग. चलो उनका एलाय का मत सुनो, मुरली मनोहर जोशी सर का भी तो सुनिए. What has he said? A painful to see young girls being mishandled. This is such a senior leader of this country. He was an education minister.